In this lesson, we will create a report from our SQL Server database. Blank report. Get data SQL Server. So first we get our SQL Server name. Database is MyDB and the table name is what? MyDB and the table name is my table. Direct query. Okay. Load. So in the authentication, we must provide the SQL Server authentication. Remember that we must use the SA login. Okay, so now we have this visual ID, first name, last name, and in our table we have the same. If we add three Jason McIntyre, forgive my spelling. Refresh. Set direct query. Publish. We will just give it a name, gateway report. Dev. And note that in the previous lesson, we had installed the gateway here, but disconnect it. Let's open it in Power BI. Not here, but rather we go here, dev. This is our semantic. Okay, so we go back to the report, semantic settings. Gateway and cloud connection. See, my gateway is already here. So we have to just configure it. But before that, I want to go to this here and then say open dataset settings. We'll open this on our this same link. So if we click this, it's taking us to this link. While it's loading the dataset settings, we see our gateway, on-premise gateway, and manage users. We can add users to this gateway. Remember that. Connections. Now, my DB, this is my connection available of my SQL server, which is this. This connection is available. Whereas settings for the gateway. So that link has taken us to the same place, on-premise data gateways. Connections are here, and then when we click here, settings, takes here, we can add users, manage users. We can add users here, okay? So going back to our semantic settings, here is where we have to configure it, which we'll cover in the next videos.